in that booth, signifying where we have moved from to where we are today. And I'll request that we clear for the sake of photographs, please. Let's have His Excellency receive a call.
Very good. Very good. So the digital superhighway program, the hotspot for this is Kicc, and you say? Digital for Kicc and City Hall Way. So citizens will be able to, they don't need bundles now. They can, when they are here at Kicc, they can transact them. Very good, very good, very good. Asante sana. Thank you very much.
So from there now we proceed to the digital police station, where we are going to have the PS interior just take you through where we are now.